everyone? This is Matt with Tesman Truckers over here at the world's largest truck stop. And just wanted to give you a little tour. Got 900 parking spots here. Just got a new truck all shined up. Give you a minute to check it out. Bask in its glory. 900 parking spots here. And you can't really get an appreciation because it goes on for, I don't know, about a half mile that way and about a mile that way. And believe it or not, this place does get filled up. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of it. It's called the Iowa 80. It's in Iowa on I-80, obviously. So I guess that's where it got the name. But anyway, that's a 284, there it is. Okay, exit 284 on I-80 in Iowa. It's a weird place to have the world's largest truck stop, but it's here. We got some really cool truck shows here, and stick with me. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the inside. All right, guys, walking into the Iowa 80 over here. First thing you see is this huge chrome shop over here, and they got quite a few other cool things. Yeah, like I said, guys, they got a really huge chrome shop over here. They got some show trucks, a bunch of DVDs for sale, always. And they usually got a trucking movie playing. Smokey and the Bandit, Convoy, all that mess. But yeah, just chrome as far as the eye can see for lights and interior accessories, exterior accessories for every single truck. I mean, just look at all those lights. Just chrome as far as the eye can see. All kind of doodads. I kind of think that shift knob is pretty cool. Like I said, got some cool show trucks over here. This one's actually on a Lazy Susan. Spins around. This one's been here a long time, but still a very cool truck. Bunch of lights. You got this little platform over here so you can see the interior of this truck. Very cool. Look all you want, but do not touch. Yeah, like I said, they just have a bunch of lights and chrome and accessories, all kind of tarps, doodads, everything you need for your truck. Straps, chains, stacks. So you get an idea what the chrome shop is about here. I'll give you a tour of the rest of it in a minute. Hang with me, guys. So they recently redid the food court over here. It's a lot bigger than it used to be. A little coffee shop, Dairy Queen, Pizza Hut Express, Taco Bell, and we got a Wendy's. Now the prices here are going to be a little bit more than regular Taco Bell or Wendy's or whatever, but you're kind of paying for the convenience and the experience of being here at Iowa 80. And like I said, over here at the food court, this is more the gas station side, so you have the gas station type stuff for four-wheelers over here. because, like I said, I don't know if you can see over there's a bunch of gas pumps. So this is where the four-wheelers come in. They got four-wheeler doodads and everything. Salsa, stuff like that. And they've had this, oh, I forget what this is called. Power Wagon. Dodge Power Wagon. Yeah, 3 shifters, I think, actually. Really cool truck, really cool truck. They've had all these trucks for a while here, and I never get tired of looking at them. It's a great place to spend a reset here. They got all kinds of things to do. I'll show you some more in just a second. Now we're upstairs here. Walk up the stairs. They got, let's see, they usually got a massage place, dentist office, but looks like their other offices are up for lease. They got this really nice barber shop. Always see people getting barbered up there. Bunch of laundry, washing machines and dryers. Never a wait here for that. And they got this sweet weightlifting room, workout room, the elliptical, little stationary bike, do pull-ups and all kind of different things. Let me crank out a couple. Yeah, like I said, really nice workout room. It's a good reason to come here. They got all kind of showers here. They usually have a church going on. Oh, here's that dentist office. Yeah, like I said, the other offices are usually leased out. And then over here you can oversee the chrome shop. You sit over here and have lunch and check out all the people shopping for chrome. Check that out too. You can see just how many parking spots there are. You get a little bit of an idea. They got a big church over there, and then they also have a old school truck museum. That's pretty sweet. Like I said, they got a bunch of showers up here. Never a wait. I'll show you what the rest of upstairs is like. Stay tuned. Like I said, go back to the steps over here where I was. Go over here. They got a great TV lounge room. I gotta be quiet.
And Mark Lowry sings that song. And I said, Lord, I said.
Nice TV room. And then over here you got the theater. Really cool. Oh, good, there's nobody here. Yeah, they play pretty nice movies. They usually play contemporary movies like Fast and Furious, action movies. They had this Ben Affleck movie last night that where he robbed Boston Fenway Park, and wasn't a bad movie. I didn't know Ben Affleck directed any movies. But anyway, here's the theater. I'm surprised hardly ever anybody there whenever they're playing a movie. There's the other entrance to the theater. Uh-oh, here's the other restroom. That's what I need. Oh, okay, they got church going on over here. It is Sunday. Well, I couldn't take you into the truck museum, antique truck museum, but they're not open till noon today, and I got to hit the road, but just wanted to give you an idea what it's like in there. They got a bunch of really cool trucks from the 19 teens, 20s, 30s, 50s, 40s, all over. Anyway, this gives you a better idea how many parking spots there are here. I'm all the way on the other side. And then it goes all the way back past that water tower over there. But they also got other truck stops here, just in case there's not enough parking here. So if you need a pilot, if you only have a pilot shower, they got pilot over there. They got pilot across the street. Anyway, yeah, this is the Iowa 80 truck stop, largest truck stop. It's Matt with Tips for Truckers. Have a great day.